Me trod alone but Jah beside. Me no shout but me no hide. Them can't bend this soul of mine. Me walk with fire, me walk with time. Me no wear crown, me no own gold, but me carry truth, me spirit bold. Them sell illusion, me no buy. Me live for love, me ready for die. No chain pa me mind, no fear in a chest. Me no follow crowd, me follow conscience. Them mock me part, but me not stress, cause righteousness bring real defense. Me have a rebel heart, silent flame. Me no switch for money, no switch for fame. Them can't control, can't rename. Me live clean and me stand by them. Rebel heart, still strong. Rebel heart, all along. Them try fi bribe, try fi twist. Them plot and lie, but me resist. Me can't be bought, me can't be used. Me rather walk poor than live confused. Yes, me see pain and me feel lost, but me still chant, me still cross. For every youth where them try mislead, me chant truth like planting seed. Me have a rebel heart, silent flame. Me not bow to system, not play them game. Me spirit firm, me soul reclaim. Me not shame fi call Jah name. Rebel heart, unchained. Rebel heart, still remain. Some fight with guns, me fight with love. Some seek the crown, me seek above. Me no dress for impress, me dress for peace. Me rebel heart can't cease. To the little youth, me leave this word. Stay firm, stay clear, don't be disturbed. Them will laugh and try misguide, but truth still shine even when it hide. Keep your books, keep your soul. Your rebel heart, more than gold. Your roots deep, Jah control. Stand tall, take full roll. Me have a rebel heart, born from flame. Me no need title, no need fame. Jah see me works, Jah know me name. Me walk with light through